crowns, dental implants.
A broadcast or cable system has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. South Dakota, at 12:55 a.m. on June 11, 2022, effective until 12:55 a.m. June 12, 2022. South Dakota Amber Alert, issued 12:30 a.m. CDT, Saturday, June 11, 2022. Child description: Garrett Silverknuckle, 6 years of age, white male, 4'0" tall, 80 lbs, hazel eyes and brown hair, may be wearing a red shirt. Suspect description: Gary Silverknuckle, 59 years of age, white male, 5'5" tall, 245 lbs, brown eyes and brown hair. Suspect vehicle description: 2008 blue Honda Odyssey, South Dakota. Personalized license plate: Garrett Silverknuckle. Details of the abduction may be included here. On June 10, 2022 at approximately 11 p.m. CST, Gary Silverknuckle fled an address in Rapid City, South Dakota with his 6-year-old son Garrett Silverknuckle. Gary threatened to harm his son and himself. If you have seen this child, suspect or vehicle, call 605-394-4131 immediately. Do not take action to rescue the child. Call immediately. This poster is available on the State Amber Alert webpage at http://sd.gov/amberalert/.